Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to Nutrifresh. Today I'm gonna tell you all how to make Fatteh Humus. It is also known as Fattet Humus and it is really quick to make. It is also very famous in the Arab cuisine. So let's get to making. Firstly, I fried some pita bread along with 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Then in a separate bowl I combined in around 1.5 cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of tahina sauce, salt half teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin powder, lemon juice 2 tablespoons. Whisk well until all the ingredients get incorporated with each other. This recipe is really quick to make. You can also serve it as a dip or you can enjoy it on your breakfast. It has many nutritional values too. Anyways, after that I took around a half cup of boiled chickpeas and then crushed them. Then in a separate casserole dish, I placed in some pita bread, fried pita slices, and then yogurt above it. Boiled chickpeas, it's actually one of my favorite dips of all time. Some more yogurt, dash of olive oil, paprika powder just a pinch to give it a color, and then some chickpeas, depends upon you if you want to add it or not, fried pita at the edges, and that's pretty much it. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification button, follow my socials, written recipes in my website. I will give a link to all my socials in the description box below. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe. Bye.